G'day guys, so I haven't picked the challenge lock in quite a while, so I thought well, the last one I actually picked I think was the Brava challenge lock, the My Nightmare, sent in by Luke. So I went through the box that Don gave me, that sent through, Don's locks, and picked out one of the challenge locks, since it's been a very long time since I picked one. So I chose my camera will focus, FunKey MonKey number 2. So that's the bitting, and I got the lock ready to go in the vise, and you can see works super smooth. I mean, no catching, nothing, absolutely beautiful. And make sure that's set. Now there is a little bit of warding in there, got a bit just here. It protects the pins, and this little bit down here on the right hand side, which I'm going to use to pick off, because even this thin homemade pick kind of gets pinched quite a bit. From picking from the bottom, so I'm going to pick off that right hand side, and I'm going to use top of the keyway. So being a challenge lock, hopefully there's some cool homemade pins. I love homemade pins. I think they're some of the trickiest. And there's a little bit of flop in the core, but oh well. So I'm going to use my homemade swoop style pick and work my way through, feeling for a binder. Let's click out a 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, so I'll click out of 5. Let's 2 again. 3. I'm picking at the wrong angle here. It's a bit difficult. There we go. Good solid click out of 5. I might move this camera a bit better so you can see. And an open on 3. Alright, it's not too bad. Didn't hear the last couple. So, and the battery on my phone's running low, so flash has gone out. Damn it. So you can go ahead and lock that back up. Just see it was open. Make sure the key still works beautifully. Alright, hopefully get this done before my camera dies on my phone. Alright, bring in Giant, the Beast pinning tray. Oop, and knock everything flying everywhere. Yeah, good on me. I don't know what's going on today. Alright, I need a follow up and tweezers. So we'll look, got a clip on the back here, might be able to pull that off, so make some room. Alright, let's use this key. Should be right. Don't think there's any T-pins. Set that there. Alright. Don't see anything just yet, but I see some crazy looking pins. Let's move this over down a little bit. Alright, chamber 1. It's a standard. Number 2. It's like a spool torpedoes element to it. 3. Ooh, 3 is a 2-part pin. Got it. Like a T-pin down the bottom here for the part that rides on the key. Get it set in there properly. And then highly serrated with T-pin element at the top of the pin. 4 is a serrated, and 5, very nice serrated pin, extra sharp edges on the Bible, or the core, sorry. We have, make this light in a bit better so I can see. We have threading in 4 and 3. Looks like a little bit in 2. Nothing in 1. And nothing in 5. Very nice. Right, upstairs we have, I'm waiting on my new follower set to come in. It's arrived in Australia. I'm just waiting for it to come down. So we've got standard. Ooh, very nice serrated with a ball on the end. Chamber 2. Come out that way. That one come out that way. Can't get the spring. Springs don't want to come out. I'll have a look at them after. Number 3, you have a very nice serrated driver. 4 is serration with a ball. It's in that way. Get the spring out of that one. Very long copper. And lucky last, nice serrated pin there. Let's have a look. See if I can get these springs out. This pick should work. We have little baby steel spring in 5. Oh, that one won't come out in 3. 2, we've got a thin copper spring. And 1, whoop, got a fat copper spring there, brass. Number 3 don't want to come out, might be caught up on this cap. Let's have a look. Nope, there we go. Fell out. Short little copper spring, and it looks like it was caught up in that. Alright, let's have a look in the Bible. Bible's completely stock, so no threading or modifications to that. So let's have a look at these pins. So chamber 1, we've got a standard key pin and a standard driver with the short copper spring. chamber 2, key pin's almost like a torpedo, got a spool, very sharp edge on that one, and a serrated driver which has like a ball on the end. Really nice pin, very well made. Then 3, key pin is this 2-part pin, so it's like a T-pinned bit on the bottom. There's a hole drilled out into the top, very nice serrations, whoop, and like a T-pin element to the top of that as well, with a very nicely made serrated driver. Key pin on 4 is very nice serrated on the end there, sharp edges to catch, and got a serrated with a ball on the top. Then number 5, key pin is serrated key pin, very sharp edges on that one to catch, and got 2 serrations, kind of like a bonbon in a way, looks a bit like driver. So varying spring tensions. It's got a little steel, fat short steel spring in this one, a long brass, I think, by the looks of it. Oop. Yep. Oh, copper spring, short little one, another one there, and another short one there. So it does vary them really nicely. So there you go, the number 2 challenge lock by FunKey MonKey. Very nice to pick, awesome feedback. Just bidding on it again. So awesome. Really impressed with that. And there's a fun little pick, especially since I haven't picked a challenge lock in quite a while. So once I fix my camera up here, it's falling down all over the shop. So anyway, as always, follow the codes to keep locksport legal. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see and want to see some more videos, so please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all your support. If you like what you see, don't forget to get a thumbs up. And yeah, until next time, cheers guys.